Would you like to apply for a government job? They have good pay, they have good benefits, and they have a very special way of applying for them that's a little different than other businesses might be. And so we'll go into NeoGov, which is a system that I think most government agencies use, or they'll use something very similar, and talk about how to work through the application process. The City of Detroit webpage to start looking for a job. You can just search City of Detroit or DetroitMI.gov and jobs, and that should help get you to this page. And there's a variety of different things you can look for. This is just for all the city jobs. There's specifically a section for police, and then jobs that they're really hot jobs that the city wants to fill. I'm just going to go to the general page. And there's a couple handy things you can do. Since we're in health, you might like to filter and just look for the health department. You can filter by department, by location, by the kind of job or the kind of salary you might want. I'm going to go by department. In here it's the Department of Health and Wellness, but there's lots of other different agencies that the city has that might have the kind of job you're looking for. Here we're going to go and close this here, and now we can see some of the jobs that are currently available. Lots of stuff with animal control if you like taking care of animals, public health director, epidemiology jobs, lots of things. And so once you get in here, you can click on the one that is of interest to you. It'll open up and give you a job description, examples of duties, minimum qualifications, any certifications that you have to have. And then right up here, this green button, you can click to apply. You'll have to have an account with NeoGov, right? So you can create an account if you don't have one yet, and then you can sign in. There's a whole bunch of stuff to fill out. And the fun thing is that your old applications will still be in here. Here is one that was from years and years and years ago that I applied for. And you're gonna go through step by step. And here's all the pieces that you have to fill out in here. It's a lot. It's gonna ask for just your personal information, work information, your education experience. There's other place for any licenses or certifications you might have. There's a place to put your references. And then your attachments would be your own regular resume and your cover letter that you might have. And some positions have special questions that they will ask of people. And then you get to review it and then certify that everything that's in there is as accurate as can be. And you can always go back in and tighten something up and resave it, and it will be there for you when you are ready. And like I said, you might need to tweak stuff once in a while for a particular job. Maybe there's something extra you want to add that's specific to that job. Maybe there's something you want to remove that's not relevant to that job. You can always go in there and update and change things as you need to.